Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fur hood hack on Dressroom Press. You don't need VIP for this as well. I just used like a VIP coat, but you don't need to use this one. I'm just going to remove everything that I used here except for this fit. So you can either use the brad coat, you can also use the furred coat as well if you'd like to. Where is it? Oh, here. I'm like, where is it? It's right there. I'm just going to select black to match the outfit I have on. And then for the hood, I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to color it the same as well. Then I'm just going to scale it all the way up and rotate the x-axis all the way up as well. Then I'm just going to position it so it's down a little bit and it's like more forward a little bit. Using the Z and the Y axis, you can kind of adjust it to your liking. You can also add in ears if you would like to. I don't know if this one would work, but let me just try. I'm just gonna scale it up all the way. Not all the way, maybe like this much, and then I'm just going to color it the same to add ears. You can just experiment to see which one you like, but here is the fur hoodie. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.